See pussy hole them send a email, man. Out there. In a them outside right now. Foota, come here! You big ugly pussy claw waste man, yeah. Every bumbo claw minute of me and the brother, yeah. Yo, watch it now, supposed to me have a see bumbo claw busting in your chest, boy. Yeah, what? Yeah, what? From what you said, this boy love out silly the auntie. Big woman like every day, me in an argument in a big pussy girl. Big stinking girl. Every minute me and you all over in a sucker. Batty boy, can get son? Come here, boy! Tear your ass up here, say to me, make me girl clad fresh girl for your black rusty blood clad face. Rasshole! Come here. Come here. Why you love Batman arguments so bad, man? Man, I fuck you. I shoot them in your mouth. I shoot them blood clad. Who not tag him? I fuck in your mouth, auntie foota. Which man of them cocky a lick out the way your wisdom teeth? Them because the man them say outside in a year, I'm outside, you know. You batty boy. More ask you why you Batman in a. But you love Batman, sir? Batman. Me never see a straight boy like you look Batman, sir, you know. It look away, Batman. Pussy, it look away, big black ugly bumbo clap boy with the anklet. If you spit in her face too, you know. Hey, big pussy girl, step up. Right now. Let me reason why me talk about you so good girl. Bitch. Let me tell you why me talk about you. The man them fuck out the whole of your mouth up a ladder hill. The man them a foreigner fuck out the whole of your blood clot throat. That's why you eat Batman soil. Every day, Batman this, Batman that. Cocky sucker, come reason with me. Big pussy girl. Outdated whole bitch. Come here. Come here. Big hole. Are you me a talk to? Alright, so what do you? So what do you? Mojo. But do a one tune with coffee. Big up yourself, coffee. Walk on, mama. You don't know, say I lead the pack, you know. Discover card, ambassador. Big up yourself, mama. Be a money on me, mama. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Big up. Yeah, go and carry torch with dirty careless Jamaica. Go and carry torch with careless Jamaica. You alone give a little light right now because they not rate the dancehall artists, them. Remember, the dancehall artists, them ball fi do intro and be a song with foreign artists. You don't realize so they never yet get a chance to do no song with the foreign artists. And man, them not meds, you know. America not receive on a dancehall. Me telling you that straight. You can count the couple little man them America rights as dancehall artists can't even come a pussy clad foreign. Anytime one dancehall artist come a blood clad foreign, he run off like Batman and Sodomite and ball for asylum. Why one time they alright, watch you now. Oh no, dancehall won't ever blood clad protect so much. Oh, yo, dancehall like body. Dancehall is not even a genre of music. Nobody no writes dancehall. Everybody a foreign no reggae, Bob Marley. This the man they still there. Bad man, you see a foreigner, sir? They no recognize you as bomba clad. Remember what day when Chief Keef girl see Popcorn, she said she thought he was a comedian. A Jamaican comedian who do music. Why? Chada! Remember that she said. Remember, you know how much American think on is a blood clot joke? But you know want to song with me, Mill. You know want to song with blood clot, Ray. You know want to song with baby. That baby they know, no? Eh? That baby them know. You foota, you know why me want to reason with you? The head of the holy, if I look and say, I have to say this one, I tell you the truth, you know. But Popcorn, me so come take her, you know do nothing, you know, Popcorn. You don't do not a fucking thing, I'm an artist and rolling. You see me, I deal with you, Popcorn, don't do nothing. I rate all of your music, them. You could have wipe on Batman little more. Wipe on Sodomite little more. Why? You could have why little more. Me listen to your music, bad man. You know if you know say Batman and Sodomite buy on no music, them. All when time you unite a cuss with the most. Me buy all a teacher album, them. You can go look for my blood clot I cloud right now. I miss a Gaza, I am Gaza. You feel me I deal with? Yes, teacher, now it's Batty man. But him tell me, say, alright, Pretty, you know, say, you go and go do your thing, my friend. You understand me? I deal with your sexual friend, go do your thing, go through. You understand me? Batty man and Saddamite spend money to nasty Jamaican people. More than bumbleclot uno to me, I gotta tell you the truth. You see, Batty man and Saddamite are going to give you a good reasoning about we do this morning. We spend money. I'll leave a little bit so. Because we not begging. We not beg a bumbleclot. One time I never see me come here, so come beg on. I never see me put my cash up underneath here, so yet. Eh? You never see me put my blood clot cash up underneath here, so yet. No, come in begging. Me understand some is a lesbian, you know. And una Jamaican, you know, the most homophobic country in the world. You see, this morning when I wake up, I was reading an article about Uno from the American Times. That's how I not get no visa. Make a reason. What you know? When you look on America, you know, America is the home of the free as well. We go the other day now. But the other day, coffee. The ambassador for discover card, you know. No, Jamaica not get them the blood clot glory there. Why? Because who are. You think people don't know who be? Who don't know? Everybody know who discover card know who. Popeyes know who, KFC know who. Every franchise in the whole world. At the other day, what you know? At the other day, when you got McDonald's, Travis Scott have one bumbo clot meal over there for $6. What you know? Where you get a blood clot quarter pounder with cheese and bacon. You get one fries and one barbecue sauce and a large Sprite. That was Travis Scott meal in a McDonald's. You know why them a get them the bumbo clot opportunity they are foreign for be bumbo clot ambassador for shit because them a hold them one and mind them business. Unlike all uno Jamaican, uno can't bumbo clot do that. When you not go ever do that? You see Travis Scott, me buy about 5 Travis Scott meat. Me buy about 5 of the Travis Scott meal. Because I like quarter pounder with cheese. You understand me I deal with? Me eat the fries and me drink the juice. It was a good lunch. I work me the day when me buy the lunch day too. And that is an artist, a foreign, one rapper. One rapper that, you know. Because remember say, Batty man eat a Wendy's too, you know. Batty man eat a McDonald's. Batty man eat a KFC. Batty man yam everywhere in a bad man. You feel like so as Jamaican artist can be the ambassador for now. Which one now as dancehall artist can stand up right here and tell me say Uno can be the blood clot ambassador for nothing for America. Tell me when? No could have never get the Uno could have never get the audacity. Uno could have never get that the blood clot. Never in our life. Why? I know people here to know. All I know go talk about so I wonder why dancehall are big. Oh, no, it's all big. All I know doing that the journey they cost people. And shot who fi shot. Dead who fi dead. Them know why you're nothing for how no. Say you who are phone ambassador. One man was dead long time. Wake up this morning. Smiling with the risings. And the whole I know what bumbo clot DJ now. Everywhere me go in a foreign, me see something for Bob Marley. Bob Marley juice, Bob Marley shirt, Bob Marley whistler, Bob Marley this, Bob Marley shoes, Bob Marley. Where uno there? Where uno there foota? Where the fuck uno there? Why Bob Marley dead? And him a carry swing same way. What? No more uno no living? No more uno down there no living? No more body down a Jamaica no make no sense? What I said, down there no make no sense. Before me tell you why me I do this, I will me I come to uno senses. Because you know why. Watch you know. Why another dancehall artist or somebody down there uno say I carry the blood clot swing. Not have no franchise all over the blood clot world. Why? Ask me why. Because you don't have a brand. Them brand you already, you know. You don't know what is a brand? What you know? I shame for be one now. I hate it to me born as a Jamaican. Every day I'm a bumbo clot life. Mother ball out for asylum 30 trillion times just to then revoke my citizenship down at that bumbo clot. Nobody know why being a citizen down a blood clot. That Jamaica the worst place. Why the fuck me want to live in one place where no currency no pass out on a blood clot airport? On no money can't spend now on a broke like dog. Me sorry the bumbo clock dear me born and get the brand for be uno. Enough store where me going in America, me not talk like blood clot uno, you hear why? Cause I get a pussy clot brand and too much question that if you ask when me talk like my bumbo clot self. You see when me talk like me? And them hear that, the first thing one blood clot American tell me say, how could you be Jamaican and be the way you are? Me no want to be one of blood clot, uno. God kill me. Every day, one time I wake to blood clot, me sorry, me I want a blood clot, uno. Because you see the burnings when me get, I hit, you know. Jamaica the worst place on earth. And it take what they read, the American sitting them up here so to realize that. What you know? Love wish blood clot self yardy. Wanna rate me? When a blood clot rate me, when I on a flag go suck out to no man. What me say? You see, for you not rate me, pussy me not rate you neither. Yeah man, me come a foreign come learn that. You not feel like me, and me not feel like you neither. Go suck out you man. You see me? You see a foreign? What a name buckle you know? What's up, dread? You all we are dread, you know. All we are dread. Me a pussy will me dash stone back at me from the day. Me would have never glad for be one now. No. Remember that bum buckler. I'm sorry, me done be this already. Me would dash my heritage any day. I saw me fail. Who glad for be a Jamaican? Where? I who no want to give up on a blood class citizenship the most. You think say the Asian they want to give up their citizenship like you know? Oh no! On a ball for everything. On a ball for go blood clot foreign. On ever a ball. On no want go over here so no walk. So the blood clot on no stay down there. No, me not have to suck my mother, me there for me good. Me not have to suck my mother. You go suck for you. I don't that you there. Go suck your mother, bad man. You see me? You see one time you come up, yes, I'm glad. Oh, I'm glad to be Jamaica. Jamaica worse. The worst. So I could not run from down there then. What me could not, if down there good, if down there nice. If don't got the rare and don't got the tail, what the fuck could not run for them? Wanna run for me know why me run. Me know why me run. Me know why the other people them a run. And some wanna Sodomite and Batman a run. What not run for? What not run for? Me not glad say me born a Jamaica none at all. Oh, me fi stop chatting pat twice, idiot. Another language that you want to give me, go suck out your mother. Me use the language and tell her to go suck out to no mother, dog. Suck out to no mother, big man. Remember so you don't rate me, and I can't tell her to go suck out to no mother every day. Remember so they hate Batman and Sodomite and I happen to be a lesbian. So you don't like me say, yo, go suck out to no mother, bad man. You see me? You see, since me if I go suck out my mother and go dead, Sodomite girl, oi, you no go dead. You know, idiot about fuck me a chat. The whole underneath for parish off of the blood clot island, my friend. Jamaica is such a good island, and that's only live down the pussy hole. Me, the other day, me or American say, yo, hey, I would like to go to Jamaica. Me tell them no. Me never influence nobody to come which part of the day yet. I don't go. Yes, me I do. Nobody know if go down there which part on there. I don't stay amongst one another and dead. You feel like you there? You see Jamaica, you don't stay amongst yourself. You don't stay which part on there. You see mentality what you don't have. You don't stay down there with it because we don't want to know up here with it. You see me? We run away from with it, you know. We don't want to know up here, so alright, foota, you know. When Buju Banton come out of jail, now Buju say, Buju say, I have one song of Jamaican, as the illiterate Jamaicans. I have a song where for years when I take it and turn it into an anthem. And I won't perform that song anymore. Suck good foota, you me attack now. Big pussy girl, suck pussy girl, suck good girl, you me attack. Bitch, the man, when the man come out of jail, the man say, him go to jail and learn for mind in one business and everybody have their life to live. Suck good girl, big old bitch, your body hole deep like a ditch. Suck good big old girl, you me attack. Why the man say, him now blood clot perform the song no more? I must one reason, you know, suck good. Big sit up brief footer. I must a reason why the man say him not do the blood clot song no more so good. Trinidad hate Jamaica. And me alone hate Jamaica. Let me tell you who else hate Jamaica. Trinidad hate you know. Grenada hate you know. Bahamas hate you know. Barbados hate you know. Every blood clot where hate you know. So nobody go like me alone. Remember say who not run the place you know. Take it. Me no mind. Me no mind. Me no mind take it. And me alone hate you know. Holy power no. I enough island no go no say people in the meds no go like Curacao them hate to no. We no go Bahamas them hate to no. Barbados they hate to no. Trinidad they hate to no. Every blood. What you say idiot there? When I didn't know so Jamaicans can't get no fucking citizenship of Bahamas. All even go over there go fuck and breed. When have to send God Jamaica go get on a blood clot birth paper from down there go suck on a mother and not tell me what me know. Don't tell me. Don't tell me that. You go listen how them deal with you know, over blood clot. They know how them deal with you know. You know so you can't get no citizenship over there. One time you go breed up over there, you have to go send down a Jamaica phone and look up bird paper them phone the bastard them. Remember that? Remember, all of a foreigner now, them a try to stop do it. You better hope Trump no get back in the house because Trump say, one time you no born here so now, you no go start got Jamaica phone a blood clot bird paper. You hear me I do it? Alright now, watch you now. You see Jamaica is the most homophobic country in the whole world. Thank you. Of course. So me as a lesbian, I don't think me like her. Me as a lesbian now. You don't feel like me a rate, you know? I talk good about you know. Them what a pussy cloud did I idiot here? You ever see me a Trinidad yet? No. You ever see me a Barbados yet? Nope. You ever see me over there them I Smile Island yet? No. Who know over there though? America like me. You don't see what me the fucking idiot? You sound like a go-go. You look like some of the blood clot Trinidad there. I'm there Bahamas here. No. Who know over there? Not me. Me never go over there yet. Me never left from a small island and go to a small island yet. A big landmass, me say. You see me? After me a 16-year-old, me a jump up and down in a plane and come a foreign, my friend. Over 10 years now, we have traveled foreign, my friend. We never got a small island yet. That's a your thing. You understand me? I did go suck out on a mother. All I know is Jamaica, me glad. Who know are. Because guess what now, my friend? And that's why when they wish part to them, yo, down your hard, you know, everything up, be rare. Buju, you me come back, I deal with them already. Watch you know. When Buju come and say that, he burn your foota. When Buju come and say, nah, God do. The body sang no more. Boom, bye, bye, no body more, eh. Sodomite and body what's dead. He burn you. Rascal, that one you say Jamaica hurricane always turn back. You remember the one that almost kill you all out now? Gilbert. Ivan me got through it and they are nearly dead in that too. The only reason why father got turned back, them hurricane, the most of the blood clot time when can't even manage it. What do you want like a drizzle go on a Jamaica and the whole place flood out? Cause no curse, no bumbo clot. Not even look a rain can't fall down and no flood out. I'll care me see a wash with to bumbo clot. What not talk about turn back? Who don't give thanks every time one of them turn back? Because any blood clot day one come, there's all out of dead and the tsunami them. Because now one flat land mass, you know. Stop telling me about go back and red. Because what day when you look at drizzle go out, you can't manage rain. One like a Sunday afternoon, the fucking drizzle. All car and bus and wash way down at that. You can't manage hurricane? Eh? You not ball for hurricane and the talk about say, God this, God love you no? I want a God law alone on a blood clot come through with. For hate Batman and Sodomite. That alone can bring on a God ever so good. You have the highest murder rate in the whole Caribbean. That bigger than the Sodomite and Batman thing still, you know, because God did have 10 commandments and the Batty thing never did deny 10 still. Him have whole heap of rules, you know, but you see the first 10 where him give, him did mean them 10 there. And uno no whole, none of them 10 there. Uno lie, uno wicked, uno thief. Uno blood clot murderous. Uno kill the most. Uno believe in a killing. Uno believe. So uno talk about. Uno reason with. Uno can't tell me nothing about God. Uno tell me about God. Dead, dead, dead. Remember, you know, thou shalt not kill. And who no murder the most, and who no believe in a dead. Dead, 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 dead. Gunshot. You fit dead, 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 dead. So you not reason with me about God. You can't reason with me about God. You can't reason with me about God. You not reason about God. But, oh, as long as we blood clot, yet Batman and Sodomite, God reason with we. Yeah, you that? I no broke, sir. Oh, God a reason with you on the broke, sir. Eh? God, boy, God merciful, yes. God a make you live. But you no broke your fuck. You no have a ball. You no have a beg. You no have a try run away. So why? Why you not run from such a perfect place like Jamaica? This here right now, down on the island where rape Pitney the most. Jamaican people rape and kill Pitney the most. Which part of you are God fearing? Which part? Who know what fuck and kill Pitney, sir? And kill girl? Who no kill girl more than who no kill man this year? How not talk about God? You don't know nothing about God? How good thing you know, remember when God said, Leviticus 14 verse 13 say, a man shall not lie with a man as he would lie with a womankind. You didn't know say in a Leviticus a whole heap more secret it say. And that a weird on a 14. So I'm curious a Leviticus. Where you know fi fuck your sister-in-law. And you know fi fuck your mother-in-law and them thing there you fi dead. What to the man them want cheap and the woman will fit dead. You never did read the whole of Leviticus. You no go suck no mother. Here why you no go suck no mother now? Because you not heights one side of the Bible and you no realize how you not fuck up on the other side. The one of the law them or the man did tell you not to do the most, I don't do the most in the murder. Oh no blood clot murder people, you know. And the man who read down a Leviticus after you pass on a Genesis saying, Genesis start the book, you know. Genesis start the book, you know. And then you run from Genesis, see ya? One book like our Leviticus there. Our Leviticus there. No people are dead. People are dead, yes. People are dead. People are dead. Our Leviticus there. Our Leviticus. That's how I track started my world. You run up and down all bout in the Bible. To the almost last part. When the Bible almost done, you know. When you come and go. How far Leviticus there from Genesis? Come here, Sodomite, you know. I shouldn't know the Bible. How far Leviticus there? From blood clot Genesis. Far. Far. Because guess what? Jamaicans run from all the way, you know. From Genesis, go all the way of blood clot Leviticus. Oh, Trump 2020, any one of them when I see him think baby girl. So what do you think? So that's gonna do something to me when I say Trump 2020? Make sure you vote. Because if you know so you can't vote with green card. And people are citizens alone can't vote. So you look a green card holder. Go suck your mother in the corner there right there so. Make the Yankee then talk. You see me? Whether Trump win, Biden win, me still there for him. Look on blood clot, see? Everybody responds to their own sin. You can't tell you them that do it, no? Yo, man. Oh, yeah, man, you know love Jamaica. Me love the land. Me not like you, no. Jamaica is a beautiful land. If only all of you could have dead down there. And just left the land alone. For when like people walk come visit it, the land just stay there all by itself. You see me I deal with the land. You see only 93% of Jamaican them would have dead down there. You see me I deal with? No, me not care who win, you know. Call me LGBT, bro. I'm good. Me? You ever hear me I go vote? You see me with a voter for me? You see me with I voted? You see me with it? No, hear that? You don't see me with it. So when that Trump win, Biden win, me there I'm gonna ask you. I tell you. Pastor, me I tell you. You see when election count out today and the winner drop, you watch as if when me go live tomorrow and you see me there. And next week, and the week after that, and next year, and the year after fucking that. So you can't say Biden, Trump, all your blood clot one. Because you think say if one win and one lose, me I go come down the way you did, no? Jamaica bad mind is split, then them make you word bad mind. Me don't know if Jamaicans depend this. Me not care for you, no. See, I'm like how you not care for me. No, me not have a vote. Me just legally here to stay, you see me? No, me not vote, but you know, I'm here to stay. Here to fucking stay. Here to stay. Woo! What the fuck? No, I'm not gonna send back people down a phone place to kill people. You hear that? All you have to tell America say, you is Jamaican, then I said you back down there, because they know about you now. When you say Batman they up free. The Jamaican Batman there, you know, how was some Jamaican Batman come from? Free up here. Yes, the same boy them want to stab up and shut up and acid up at Jamaica, them free up here now. Uncle Sam tell them, say, come here, Papa. Let's go. Yes, Mama, me happy for you go and go vote. No, me don't give a fuck about Jamaica, you hear that? Like, hey, let me tell you what me care about. You see, any day you like me like on the back and till then go suck out on no mother, my friend. You see, because me and him Camille pussy and it a bun you. Go suck your mom, my friend. You can't tell me what to suck. You can't tell me what to suck, you idiot. You can't tell me what to suck. I don't want to suck no thinking bumbleclot hood. Are you going to kill me because I want to name out Camille pussy? Am I out? A Camille pussy, I should give me free for name. My wife give me pussy for suck, and me suck it. Here why? Me not rape Camille. Camille put the pussy in my mouth and me name that. Am I pussy that? I eat pussy, I'm glad. Me now go stay at Jamaica, I'm gonna beat me for suck good. Me now stay at Jamaica, I'm gonna beat me for take good. Me now stay at Jamaica. No! When I come up, you come beat me for take some blood clot hood, no? Make I use my Glock 40 and bust it on the face, youth. Yes! Then give me and my wife lies to gun because we are forgot. And then no. So now I come pester you to it. And we shot in your bumbo clot. And get away with it. This is not Jamaica. I will stand my bumbo clot ground for you. Every day me there blood clot range. You don't see me with gun for my story. Every day man there when a bumbo clot range pussy hole. Me a hold me strap like a police now, youth. Come on, accurate when time here, bossy. Anytime I clot in your chest, you're supposed to piss your kin, youth. Yeah, man. You know how long I want to stand my ground, pound? Come, pussy hole. When time I don't stand my bumbo clot ground, I just want, just say sit me stand my fucking ground for you. I will stand my fucking ground on you. Shut in your fucking face. You hear me? This is the land where I, as a lesbian, will stand my ground and bust my gun in your face. You get gun license for being a sodomite. Buckling to live my life perfectly. You understand me? You see, chew me if you buckle for live, then give a gun for kill or no. Suck your mother. I will stand my pussy clot. This is Florida. You know where we are? Come in my yard, come say sit where me not like. I'm a lesbian. I will stand my fucking ground. Brawling upon your dada. My wife have one nice little pink one in there. Yes. Mama get him blood clot gun. Uno stand there. Uno keep it down there. Uno better keep it down a blood clot yard. Because you remember one time when I run down people and I beat them with stick. I wanna run down people and I chat them and I stab them. This is foreign. If you come in my yard with a lass of bust my gun in your chest. You know how they shot them cheap? In a Walmart? Yes, Papa. This is not where you want to bring that trouble. You see, according to Popcorn, trouble? You don't want that trouble here. You don't want that problem here. Me and God will raise you. Go suck for your mother. Because me never come call you over here so we can preach. Mama, me have one jacket and tie to you. Big old girl. When you come over here so reasonable. God bless you. Are you getting blessed by God? No for not take you all up a cocky now on a bum buckle and throat. Say God God bless you now. I know no can't stop fuck and suck for blood clot money drunk girl. Big pussy bitch. You will send me to God. Go and go pray to God for a man will hold you down, mama. A man will give you money and you not fear again. Fucky dirty girl. Mama, let me take my glasses and raise with you. Mama, you know why your blood clot now have a man, mama? Go and go raise with God, boy, that's so cool. Big pussy. You see, when me and God go raise, you're not dead in a fly. You need to picture underneath your mama right now, mama. Mama, you see, when you come raise with me, boy, God, I always realize. Say me have on 2 cheat. Me drip. You feel me? Pussy. Me not have on a blood clot jacket. Are glasses are full you? Big hole. Wait for your heaven, you know. See that heaven, yeah? Let me go and live in it. Hear that? Because it's sweat enough on a dead big hole. All you know do is sleep, you know. Say, so while me up. I go pop smoke in your bumbo clad face. Pop smoke. Pop smoke. Pop smoke in your bumbo clad face. Suck good girl. Mama! Me say! Me name pussy! You see everybody you? And your pastor? And your bumbo clad friend them? Lick out my batty hole, mama. Mama, me say lick out my bumbo clad batty hole, mama. Use your tongue. And lick out the whole of my bumbuckler crevices from crease to crease. From crease to crease, mama. Go and go put on your church frock and go flick up in your mama's sucker. That. Get it, boo? I don't give a fuck about you. I don't care about what the fuck you want to do. You get me, boo? I'm gonna eat pussy. I don't give a fuck about that, bruh. You feel me, nigga? Bitch, I'm gonna eat pussy, dog. What the fuck you gonna do about it, ho? What you gonna do about it? You mad? Am I eating your pussy? No, I'm not, right? No, I'm not. Alright. Fuck you then, bitch. The fuck you mad for, ho? Huh, bitch? Some of y'all hoes talking about God fucking other bitches, niggas and shit. Bitch, shut the fuck up. Your ass can't say nothing out of your filthy ass mouth anyway, stupid hoe. Stupid ass hoe, bruh. Always gotta be a bitch with their hair back here saying some shit, bruh. Where the fuck is your edges at, bitch? Where's your edges? You ain't got no fucking edges, but you talking and shit, bitch. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Obviously, I don't care about that, bruh. You feel me, nigga? You still not understand what the fuck I'm trying to say all morning, bruh. I don't care, nigga. You feel me, nigga? Don't listen, bruh. Bruh, step the fuck back, bruh. With your fucked up ass, bitch, stupid ass hoe, bruh. Dumb ass bitch, nigga. Hoe ass hoe, bruh. Dumb ass, clown ass, stupid ass hoe, bruh. Always gotta be a stinking ass bitch, bruh. Why the fuck you gotta start with me, ho? Why the fuck, bruh? Always gotta be a bitch with her fucking edges back here. Why the fuck you talking, bruh? Move off my live, bitch. Stupid bitch, move, bruh. Move, bruh. Get your ass off my live, bitch. Get off. Get your ass on, bitch. Alright. Yeah, ask me that says so good. You're not here. You're not here. Me say me not care. All out now pray every bumbuckle out there and suffer every day see him way. Go now pray the wrong prayer. What not pray for me for? Me in the house? Stop praying for me and go pray for your blood clot self. Some of them not even live better than dog. I want to pray for me. What want to pray for me for? Stop make me bumbuckle life bother no. Stop make coffee life bother your foota. Stop make bumbuckle everything bother you. Foota, you not have one anklet. Why you have an American anklet on your foot? We are transmit the whole of them sitting there where you say back a station. Why you not happy? What? Hey bitch! Every day when a Jamaican sucker have something else to say about gay people. Me see another Batman come to Jamaica the other day. Him come up and start play Trouble Boy we sing Whole Town Road. I wanna take my own to the Whole Town Road. I wanna ride like I get no more. When you come up your back, you left from all the way as at Jamaica. You left up here, you know. Go down there. You say you go link popcorn them. You come up here, you start troubling man. Batty man. Batty man. You trouble all town road now. And you go tag popcorn. Oh, it's a reason why you tag popcorn, you know. Not because I don't like say popcorn say nothing, you know. I don't like say popcorn say nothing, you know. But why him tag popcorn? In the article it states that because Jamaica is the most homophobic country in the world, so he tagged Jamaican dancer superstar Popcorn because Jamaicans hate gay people the most. My blood clot. Boy, them bring on down underneath there. Me say, we man say, all turn around, you Batman. I get up this morning. Me get up this morning and be a read in the house there. Him all town road. All town road. I said, Jesus Christ, that is not the right way to spell Batty Boy. Batty Boy is this way. Watch you know? But the man did half it tag Popcorn, you know, because everybody know, nobody know eat gay people like Jamaicans. You understand me? What you know? Just because him know so when him burn out that, him have to tag a yard man. For them know say, yo, I'm serious about this shit because you don't know say Jamaicans kill Batty man. You know? It's funny. Hey, all town road, answer him though, and I say, you know, that is not how Batman spell. Hey, what's it now? Let me show you that thing down. I want to COVID-19, go suck out your mother for my life now. I'm black you for my life, coming on a COVID for my life, go suck your mother. That morning you're there for my life with your whole life. No cough for my life, pussy hole. Come on for my life, suck it. I want to blood clot COVID. I'm spitting in your face. Hey, don't come for my life with a pampas self. You deaf? No, Jamaicans. No, man! Jamot? Me for something, man? Okay. We do it 2 years. You know, me, Jamot. Jamaica eat bottom on your fuck. You can't say that. No undercover bottom on that Jamaica. Jamaica be a straight man down at that. Heavy, muscle, gunshot in your face. What kind of body thing? You can't body up, no. Wait. You can't body up. No, not that. We are yard, man. Fuck, dude. Pussy. Bust gun in a batty boy and sodomite face. No sodomite and batty boy can heal me. We don't know sodomite. We don't know Batman. Batman and sodomite for dead. Everybody know that. We are yard, man. Pussy, we don't go with a hate. We don't want to. Batman have a height. Sodomite have a height, boy. I want to. Well, that's why we have lost them and we have ratchet them. Any Batman, me say me shove my knife in that. Be a stab in that. I want to know. What do I say? I will make Batman have to live under blood clot bridge. Under gutter. Under blood clot gutter. Batman have to live. I kill Batman in Jamaica. You don't know that? Jamaica, any boy in Jamaica, Batman have to know him bumbuckle himself. He must go bury himself in the ground. Come on, a bad man, man, with bust and gun in your face. Pussy, you have to know that. Now what man carrying on my blood clot family? Gunshot we are use and tear up boy. Anybody boy when we see we have to run the whole scheme of a run down that. Chop up and beat that. I kill him in your bumbo clot face, idiot. Oh, I'm telling you, no body boy, no body shirts. You have to know that boom boy buying a body boy, blood clot face. Gunshot we are use and perish them. Rape all of them sodomite idiot gal. All the one them who dress like man. I say fuck them what in them blood clot hole. All pestration. Dirty blood clot sodomite nation. Thinking blood clot gal. Or some of them fuck boy and them papa and mama will go kill. Know on yourself. You have to know on yourself. Know on your body self. Go in a corner. Rinse my matic in your bumbo clot face. Pussy we brawling with the murder. You know that? Nobody boy can walk free boy. Bah, bah, bah. In your face. Big waist. Body fish. You have to know yourself. The spinners are jump off in you. And of them that the batty man them, you know.
Yeah, man.
I batty man them man. At them there I batty man them man. At them there I fish them, you know. Cause one thing with the swim around them, you know, them do, you see because they come from Jamaica, they don't know how to accept them batty mentality, you know. Me and my wife just a talk about in there. I say right. And just because enough Jamaicans don't know how to accept them batty ways. You don't know how to accept on batty ways. So you gonna have man like foota. Yeah, I saw that gonna behave. Remember I saw no grow. I hear on a look a bomber clad friend them attack. Matic! Big old dirty blood clad chrome nasty thinking matic. Bust in your chest. Make you piss your kin. You feel me? No boy can't diss me. No batty boy can't walk near me. Bow, bow! I want to some batty boy. Bow, bow! What do you do? When you know say batty man now live another. Yo! Batty man now live another night. Sodomite now live another night. Yeah, not another day. Remember that. Remember what's our phone matter. Hey. But right now what? I want to Tina $1 bill. But Tina Platinum. Tina Platinum. I can't you that. Now you did have a sex tape, mama, and the man I fuck you for the tape and then say your pussy stink, but right foot, left foot slide. And when the man walk me a think in front and they smell like you need a whole blood clot 2-3 week worth of yoni. Dirty girl, me start sell the blood clot yoni them now, Tina. However, the fuck you want near mama with the drippy hole. Are you me attack? Mama! You can't address me? Where? Go buy your phone, Tina. Go buy your phone, big pussy fuck out, Tina. Battery dolly, go buy your phone. The whole of my dog, them fuck out you like dog, but every time you come from my bumbuck live, you want come this. What you want this for? I mean fuck you a little. Little and the money, them butcher you in the house down a blood clot murmur, and you feel like you want come cuss me. I mean fuck you. I mean video it. I did not fuck you. I was the one who video it. Yes, mama, you hold it stink. The money say you hold stink. Little couldn't fuck you because the man say you hold stink. For your brown girl, why you can't go buy some yoni? For your brown girl, why you can't go buy some yoni and clean up your drippy stinking hole? Hey, mama? How are you? How you try your dress? Go address your blood clot dress scratches and look like it up. I go and top up you there, the bar. Yeah, mama! Go your bumbo clot look. Fuck out like boy, no man can't fuck in your mouth and no come in at that. Move, girl! All blood clot Durex. What? Your mouth stink like. All bumbo clot fuck out. Always one of you. Always want a blood clot on we fuck out like dog. Anyways, let me did fuck you. Me fuck you. A damn boy fuck you. I was the video man. Hey girl, come on from my bum buck like me know why you're so funny now. Go suck your mother. Hope you know what I'm funny now. Me know have, hey, listen, me not have fans, me not have followers, you know. Me have people who see the thing, who say alright, go and do your thing done. Me not look no fans, Teen or Tanya or where you go suck your mama. Go suck out your mama. Yeah, I'm kind of bipolar, yes, but you know, I try to work on it enough time. You see me a day? But some of the time, I don't want to try to be bipolar now, just when I see it. Good morning, fresh glow. Boy, yeah. Eh? Yo, Sunflower bad boss, I'm a bumbuck like Dan, yeah? This is my Dan. My dad, this. Yeah, you see? Oh, bumbuck lad, that's you me go fucking. Watch you, big pussy girl, hey girl. I'm low out today now. Yeah, I'm low out today now. Jesus, go ahead, dirty man. Alright. Give thanks. You know, thank you, mama. You know, always do say it's all about the poetic justice. You understand me? Chop. You're so flawed. The one that only exotic in a Bumbuckler, Florida. No. Outside in the mouth side. One time. Outside. Yeah? Who let the dog, them not tell them mama me have a tune who let the dogs out and come put a collar on me. You see me? I'm telling you that yeah. Yo, Sunflower, you do say, I wanna the thing this. Yes. Because I was being very delicate with it. Yeah. Because when you have good things, you have to let it last. Right? Outside in the mouth side. Oi, here. We're going later, you know it already, you know. Ooh. You see it? You don't know, we are trying, you know. You understand what we are dealing with? The whole of them used to say, Pretty dad never look good yet, always in a marina. Mama, me ever do live in a me house. A Florida I had, ask so flow. Man live in a marina, uno make me have to get up now and I put on shirt, every blood clot, you have to go impress uno. Me not do that, you know, me not live to impress people. But just being as own, I tell me say a marina alone, me have me start drop on a one shirt more while. You understand me? I did because I know I stay as Jamaican. Even if see people have a marina, and I assume see I eat alone, they have me G. And I know so you go bad man. You understand me? So we drop on a one poetic justice shirt, a one Tom and Jerry shirt more while. Two of the blood clad, polo them. One couple more we me have in the car, we have couple shirts, so you see me I deal with. We don't say we have to put on shirt in the car. When you used to say we don't have the shirt, so we say we have shirt. You see me, we just live over here so hot, like yard still. We have on a one marina, bad man. Yeah, bad man. Yeah, bad man, cause me done this and I take off the whole of them and I'm so blood clot brief on a one marina. You see? Okay. Yes, we don't live for impress people. Me never born in a lace wig. Me never born in a blood clot t-shirt. Me never born in a jewelry. I just me I want come out of my mother nice clean pum pum. I hear one now. See them now. Me never live for impress people. But see them start drop on a one shirt and I say go. See it. Hear them no blood clot be a marina pretty than have. No, you know say still I never really that still I just threw down your kinda hard shirt who you still on. Boy. Yeah, cause even me see me have it a 62 all the while. You understand me a 57 because then it's hot as fuck down here. You understand me? God, I don't live with impress people. Oh, because Chanel me that is Mrs. Me lover. What is that? Jesus Christ. Mama, yeah man. Me and I am a really am a bella. Man, really. So, oh that, what's your name? What's your name? It's smart, so you want to do hurt my goodie? Oh yeah, did you hurt my feelings? Ain't good as? Oh, you know, so me drill them fake. You see fake from them, not true? Alright now, me show you a thing now, mama. Me have them two chain, 3 years now. And me not see none of them a change color yet, you know, mama. Like, yeah, like a fashion jewelry, them way you wear, though. You know, one time we did the kind of silly money still. I will buy a couple local jewelry when I change. Just me I deal with me G. So I'll watch fake too. That $3,000 watch I eat fake too. Eh mama? Cause you just feel like say others can't have nothing, you know. You know, say no fake still. I want ball over $1,300 I pay for it to the mall. We don't know, we don't live really in person still, but you understand me, you can go Google it and it's still carry price. And then you half of the internet see them here. You understand me, have a couple of years now and they not change color, so I guess we'll go back a goodbye. Right? Yes, good! Mama! What them out of there? Where because of it? For what? No, good as pullover. You know me like it still. Yeah, it's good. Yeah? I'm doing alright. You understand what I deal with? People go and vote for fucking Biden. Go Google it. Watch the pullover. Bulova. Yeah, you can go in there in a mall too. I must see I want to get Nastrom. I must see Macy's, one of them. I go over one of them mall over one time. Let me see Bulova watch it man. I mean, just wallet me G. You know it go on with no cost. You understand me G? I've done a Rolex. We just make, you know. You see me? We make a good buy. We just feel good. You understand me I deal with? Mama will look good to you. Probably me good. I'm happy. Bitch. I'm happy with this shit. You understand me? I'm good. Because I know say you don't see a black pan and I'm a jewelry them, mama. You're too wicked. Hey, mama, go ahead. Me can't vote. Me am a citizen. A glass of water, you know, me don't really drink water. My wife tell me to stop it. Sup, my mother? Okay. Who me vote for? Me can't vote. Me a immigrant. What go on? What's your mama come on? One to the picture. Mr. Ono can't go on like Ono can't make people feel have a bad day. Ono go on. You can go on in. Tips is a oh, somebody put it in, somebody take it out. Just a So if me tell you some cologne for $100 to know that say a liar tell you can buy cologne for $100. Boy, I don't know. Oh no, me not get no haircuts until Thursday, cause me I leave Friday. No one left me alone, man. I am in. Vote for that. I am in. Vote for me. Yes, I am in. I'm glad. Yeah, my wife vote for me too. Oh, yeah, I'm glad. So some time I feel like I'm gonna get hurt my feelings. You see, sometimes I kind of like going into the car. Yo, remember, enough of the feelings me hurting the dog. I pussy them, then teeth them can, but I allow them to think so. Yes. Eh? You know, so we got MD Friday. We are go up there, Maka. 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 Me a come on Maryland. The blood clot clash now good Maka. Maka. Alright. Maka! Me have to throw sound like spotlight by you a while ago. When me jump on the stage, you know, and me say, see the dog here, what the old man said for big pussy Maka take say, wah! With the buckland. Yo, level, yo, Cartel, where are you doing? Where are you? Zan Cartel, big up yourself, you know. We have to choose the art selector them to drop them through there, you know. Hold on there. Maka and I not talking. My reason. Then, the whole of Maryland. Are we this? Are we them sent for? Outside in a Maka bumbo clat, outside right now. See the dog, yo? What? Hey, John Crow. When you come to war, yo, Yo, Bumbuck, murdering is easy. The AK, she got me squeezy. Body pump ground that please me. Mark a diamond life just a tease me. Hey, Mark a bring your head come make me leaky. Like a suck out back juice of a treaty. Chew Mark a suck pussy like sweet. Marker! 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 Yo, that young. Say yes, when me a left, haircut, clean, on the stage, we are real. We are look out for couple boo, but only look out for your mic. You see it? You see it? You see it? You see it, Maka? Everything I get fucked when I reach, you know. I be a crocodile teeth, you know. You see me? Yo. Yo, me not laugh, yeah, man. Bumbuckler! Hey, Maka! Look! Nothing no die on the Bumbuckler stage. Well on there! Well on, huh? Everything get fucked when I reach. Mama! Everything get fucked. Right now, you don't reach. Hello, outside. Why are you like this? I don't know. Summertime. Long time. Huh? Yo, born for money. We are there, you. They have a J. You see it. You see it. You see it. You see it. Yo, this side. Is it? Is it? Alright then. Is it? Yes, one. Everything I gonna get fucked when I reach. Yo, my guy, it up. Tomorrow. What are your baby bottom? Tomorrow.